Okay, two puzzles today. Let me open them up together. What's wrong with my knife? Okay, this is the safety knife that I have recently purchased, and apparently it seems to be too safe. It's even safe for the box. Alright, what do we get? 3DS and 3DS. I guess so. So I think the official name for this color is called Cobalt Blue. So let's take a look at the Cobalt Blue. Alright, it's out. Condition so-so, especially at the back. Something is missing here, but I should have that part. Okay, another one. Why is so, I don't know, opposite to glossy? This must be from the same seller, and I do not know what he do with this, but yeah, anyway, I should have the parts. And games, hopefully there's something a little bit different. What game do I have here? It is soccer. Yeah, so soccer. Another game I should have is Ninja Turtle. Dun 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 dun. Remember that? So hopefully it have the same music. Okay, second box. Alright. What do we have here? First in the queue is I don't need this because it is not usable in our place. Let's find the next is probably something XL. Yes, I am right. Pink 3 Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Very clean indeed. Oh my god. Okay. A little bit of crack, but I can always fill that with some glue, and it should solve the problem. Okay, we have Super Mario Land 2 6 coin, 6 golden coin, as well as The Legend of Zelda Links. Where's Link? Link, wake up, Link. In Japanese, I think it's called Dream Island. Alright, next. Sorry, too strong. Next we have, is this a link cable? Yes, I think so. It's the original link cable, and you can see that how thick is the cable, and they always have this shielding noise cancelling device. So that's why there's a huge cost difference. Wow. Actually, it's amazing that after all these years, right, the rubber skin of this cable is still strong and still flexible. There's nothing as getting fragile, getting peeled off. You know what I'm talking about, right? Nowadays, the data cable or a smartphone, after 1 year, 2 years of usage, is kind of break at the neck. It's not happening with Nintendo. So when Nintendo is going to start selling their smartphone, I'll be looking forward to that. This is an adapter so that the old DMG is able to talk to Game Boy Pocket, which have a smaller link cable port. Alright, next we have this is thank you for your purchase. It's nice to meet you. Okay, lovely. I like this kind of lovely seller. Alright, so this Pokemon card trading game together with the menu. Yeah, and then this is actually support infrared. There's an infrared transmitter inside the cartridge. The cartridge, the back half of the shell is in fact transparent, and therefore the infrared can go out. And the cool thing is that two devices that is facing each other, then they can exchange cards once a day. There's a limit, there's a quota. Alright. What do we have here? Alright, another thank you message. And with the thank you message, we have. Alright. I think it's really a good, nice practice that they are so polite, but I think the condition is pretty nice. Screen definitely replaced, battery cover definitely will add on. But let's look at the sticker. So nice. Alright, and we have two items left. One being Game Boy. It feels a little bit heavy for a normal Game Boy. This one, the packaging may not be so nice, but let's see. Alright, another Midnight Blue Toy Us exclusive. Ooh, nice. And other than that is just Lake Green or Aqua 3DS, which we got a lot in the past. So there's nothing much to talk about, and that's all for today's unboxing. So if you are interested, you can contact me in Carousel, and of course I will kind of refurbish them before handing it over to anybody. And thank you. See you in the next one.